Hi everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be showing you how to prepare special stamps for sublimation from Artesprix. Artesprix continues to take sublimation crafting to new heights, and are now bringing it over to the world of stamping. Offering unique shapes and letters, Artesprix's clink stamps work much like regular stamps, but are mirrored so they could be properly applied onto any sublimation transfer. Paired together with their markers and a blank sheet of paper, Artesprix stamps can help create fun, handmade sublimation projects.
First, peel the clink stamps off the clear film. Then, once you've attached the clink stamps onto a block,
simply apply the ink from an Artesprix stamp pad onto it. Then you can stamp it onto a blank sheet of paper or add it as an accent to an Artesprix transfer you're already working on. To apply Artesprix dies onto sublimation blanks, your time, temperature, and pressure settings will vary depending on the type of blank. For example, an Artesprix zip case will need to be pressed for 50 seconds at 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. You can refer to our heat press cheat sheet at heat.press/sheet to use different settings for several popular sublimation blanks. With your Artesprix transfer ready, go ahead and place it ink side down on your substrate, attaching it in place with either heat tape or adhesive spray. Once your machine reaches temperature, place a sheet of parchment paper on the lower platen, then place your substrate and transfer on top. Cover them with another sheet of parchment paper, then press.
if you're concerned about the Artesprix case's pull tab getting in the way, you can slide a small T-pad inside it to heighten its pressing area. You can also wrap the pad with parchment paper in case any dies leak through the case.
When the machine reaches time, open it slowly and allow the substrate to cool for a moment. After this, peel the transfer off and you're all done. To learn more about Artesprix and their sublimation products, visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can call a My Expert representative at 800-215-0894. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.